My dear friends, please get ready to take dictation of exercise number 48 of Pitman's textbook. Get ready, set, setter, settle, stab, stabber, sable, sweet, sweeter, sweetly, seek, seeker, sickle, supreme, sublime, cider, sidle, sacred, seclude, traceable, disclosure, plausible, classical, distressed, extremity, tasker, task, suffers, simmers, sinners, peacefully, explosive, expels, risible, rasper, disgraces, discloses, prescribes, crossways. Okay, my dear friends, as usually, you can write zigzag dictation also. Okay, it is very important to write zigzag dictation, but not like alphabet dictation. My dear friends, it is very, very important. Please note down crossways, distressed, seclude, sweeter, set, supreme, traceable, suffers, disgraces, prescribes, peacefully, tasker, sacred, sweet, setter, sublime, disclosure, simmers, discloses, prescribes, sinners, extremity, sidle, seek, disgraces, risible, plausible, classical, cider, stabber, sickle, rasper, seeker, extremity, disclosure, distressed, supreme. Okay, my dear friends, please keep practicing up to getting a good idea, up to getting feasibility to your mind and hand. That is very, very important in shorthand. Okay, without getting idea and feasibility, you don't skip the exercises and you don't skip and go forward. Just to get some idea, then only you'll go. Otherwise, the next exercises, gets difficult without proper understanding, without proper writing the dictation, my dear friends. Thank you very much. Keep practicing. Thank you.